And I seen some really important indicators showing us that we have bottomed recently. And I'm going to be sharing with you what my price prediction is in the next few months to help you guys make some great buying, selling decisions, short term or long term. So here we go. Consolidation. And for this has been 6 months we've been consolidating. So this is the most immaculate cup and handle I've ever seen, to be honest. It looks really, really good. And the target out of that is, I've already measured it before, it's over here at about 125,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. So this is a target that is definitely possible to hit. It's not asking too much, I think. I think it's a very reasonable target in terms of the market top. And
imagine being able to make calls like that yourself and greatly profiting from a bull market cycle, all while many people are FOMOing in at the top, they're FOMOing in at the bottom, they're selling low, they're buying the top, but not you. You're prepared. You have a plan, you've executed the plan, and you didn't get caught up in the drama, right? The major problem in the crypto space these days is there's tons of hype. There's tons of people pushing narratives for views that leads a lot of people astray and actually influences people to get caught up in a lot of drama and who's right and who's wrong and all this stuff. But it's not about that. What it is about you versus you. You understanding how the market works, right? If you want to be successful in this and be able to make great calls, it's understanding market psychology, understanding technical analysis, understanding how the market moves and when, and also a proven framework. Looking at data that gives strong probabilities of the price reversing to the downside or to the upside. In this way, it's kind of like because you can read the language of the market, and the market is basically telling you when it's going to reverse, either to the upside or to the downside. And as long as you can read that and execute the plan and the strategy, you're able to get in the market at a good price, at a low price, and get out of the market at a high price, profiting from the market as best as possible, and getting out, not getting involved in the drama and all that stuff. This is what I help people with. It actually disgusts me that there's a lot of people pushing narratives in different ways, telling these crazy price predictions that Bitcoin's going to 300K this at the end of the year, or that XRP is going to $500 at the end of the year, and yet I can look at the chart and not see anything that would validate that. Not a single thing. So therefore, I don't get caught up in that drama. I just don't believe it. I just don't see it. If I don't see it in the charts, then yeah, I'm not. A lot of people. There's people that approach me and say, "Hey, Dave, what do you think about this coin?" And they're all excited. I said, "Well, hold on. Let me see what the chart says." And if I don't see anything that tells me that it's gonna have a big increase, I don't buy into that excitement, right? So this is where I step in, and I want to help people really be able to let go of the FOMO, let go of the fear, get clarity of thinking, and just have a lot more peace and a lot more ease with the decision making in the crypto market, because it's just saturated with a lot of drama, a lot of people pulling strings and stuff like this. And we can get clarity and confidence in the market, understanding the things I've been talking about. Proven framework, guidance through psychology, understanding how the market moves and when, and also the technical analysis that's all around that as well. So if you're interested in working with me, I am offering one-on-one coaching supports that helps you with all of this, the exact same things that I used to be able to make those macro predictions on Bitcoin. I can teach you in this one-on-one coaching support. And you also get direct access to me. And I'm also helping you with not only understand this and be able to guide you through you being able to make your own calls, but I'm also offering a basically signals, right? So no matter what, I'll have your back and be able to guide you into the optimal times to buy in the market cycle and the optimal times to sell in the market cycle. I even help with portfolio diversification and ideas and which coins are likely to do the best in this cycle based on the things that I've just mentioned. So it would be an honor to support you and help you if you are ready to improve your crypto portfolio and your understanding of the markets and being able to just being able to improve that whole umbrella that I just mentioned. I'd be happy to help you. So if you're ready and you wanna get going on this, just send me a message via the email in the description below, and I look forward to connecting with you soon. Peace.